Well, folks, I spent about what seemed like 3 hours, close to 4 hours last night, changing out that starter. And guess what? It didn't fix it. I got the starter back on, bolted up, plugged all the wires back up, hooked the battery back up, hit the key, click, click, click. Like I said, now, brand new battery, brand new starter relay, brand new alternator. All connections are tight. All the fuses and relays are good. Like I said, I replaced the starter relay. I don't know what it could be, but it sounds like it's coming from inside the dash. All the fuses under the dash are good though. I've checked them all. Could it be the ignition switch? I mean, could that be it?